much as I strolled without a care, 'cause I'm going